In this video, I will answer the question that what are the three dots at the side of your iPad. Now you might have seen these dots physically on your iPad, or you might have seen them at the side of the screen of your iPad. First of all, if you have seen these three dots at the side of the screen, these are basically for multitasking. Now if you tap and hold on these three dots, you will be able to minimize or close the app which you are using, and if the app is opened in a window, you can open it in full screen. And also you have a few multitasking features. You can either select split screen with 2 apps, or you can select split screen with 3 apps or with 4 apps. Just like that. But if you're talking about the three dots at the side or at the back of your iPad, like these dots which I have on my iPad, that these are magnetic pins which are used to connect your iPad with the keyboard folio case. Now some iPads only support data transfer through these pins, and some other iPads support charging and data transfer through these pins. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.